Yo, karibuni sana, welcome back to this cooking video. Today I'm making wraps. So I forgot to record actually halfway kama nisha koroga unga. That's when I remembered, yo, I can record this. So koroga tu kama unga ya chapo, salt, water and some oil. Usieke sukari, no sugar. And then you just make very thin chapos. They are like chapos but they are thinner. Don't make them thick because you're not going to cook them with oil. So as you can see, ni kuzichoma tu, zina bubble nicely. So we just let them cook well. Alafu don't do it with very high heat ama moto mob. Utaki ziban before even done. Lakini pia usieke moto kidogo sana, zitakuwa dry, zitakauka. So moto tu iko moderate, poa, nice and hot but not very hot. And just let them bubble nicely, and then once they are done ni kutoa tu, and that's it, hakuna kitu ingine. So the next step will just be wrapping. And as you can see, oops, yes, it almost fell down. Nilikuwa nimekelea place mbaya, but luckily I was able to grab it, nikaekelea place poa. Then on the side I was making chipo. I was boiling first in water, and this is salty water, so the only thing I added was salt and paprika, and that's how you get yellow chipos. My tortillas zinaendelea, and by the way, these tortillas nimemake na unga ya chapo. So kuna wale wana making with unga ya ugali, and especially if you're doing the tacos, unga ya ugali is the best, or you can mix unga ya ugali na unga ya chapo. And then my chipos sasa nimezieka kwa mafuta, zinaendelea kukua nice and crunchy. If you boil chipos in water first, then just put them in very hot oil because they are already pre-cooked. And then halfway nika decide, I'm not a very big fan of plain chipos. Why don't I make masala? And haraka nikakata kitunguu, nikakata nyanya, and nikakaranga kitunguu yangu, chipo pale zinaendelea, nikaweka nyanya ndani. I forgot to record again. This was not something I had planned. So kuna time actually nilikuwa nafikiria na record, napata haya, it's not recording, I'm just holding the phone. But basically, yeah, nikakaranga kitunguu ikaiva poa. Again, I forgot to record while putting the spices, but what basically did I put? Paprika. I did paprika, I did tomato paste, I did salt, I did ila yellow inaitangwaje, turmeric, yes. Alafu now I let it boil. I also added some hohos. Then my meat was ready. Pia nilikuwa nishapika prior, and hizo whitish unaona kwa nyama ni cheese. I grated cheese. Then you can warm it at that point, it melt, or you can wait wakati umeka kwa wrap, because hiyo wrap yako utarudi uwekele kwa pan, heat again, and also to make the wrap or the bread crunchy, so your cheese will melt. Then nikaanza kuzi wrap now to prepare the wrap. And as you can see, nilieka nyama, then nilikuwa nimetengeneza pia coleslaw. The meat was saucy, so I didn't add any sauce inside. Again, I forgot to record when I was putting the chipos, lakini ni sawa. Here they are, masala chips, looking good. And I forgot to say ginger and garlic, but since iko na time ya katakata, because it was halfway, I was already working on everything, so nilieka garlic powder and the ginger powder. And then again, my wraps now ziko kwa pan, zinachomeka. You can see now they are getting a nice crunch, na pia the cheese inside will melt. And once I was done, nika plate. This was a nice comfort meal. You see, you know those comfort meals, like unakula tu unasikia tu poa. It is nice, yes. And I really enjoyed. You can try this, and don't like to subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell. Thank you very much.